Hi guys! Kala ko hindi ka babalik eh. Salamat na rin sa pag-subscribe. Tip number 6. Ito ay isa sa mga kadalasang problema ng mga kabataan, lalo na sa mga teenagers. Sa mga babaeng merong mga hormonal imbalance, and even adults ang pagkakaroon ng uncontrollable tigyawat or acne breakouts. Ito ay isa sa mga dapat mong malaman. At kung ikaw ay isa sa mga taong merong ganitong kondisyon, ituturo ko sa inyo ang mga practical guidelines para makontrol ang ganitong problema. So please, watch this video. Hi guys! Welcome back again sa panibagong episode ng Pinoy Nutrition. This is Bricks, your nutrition advisor. And for today's topic is all about how to control or how to manage your pimples or acne breakout. Remember guys that this is a medical advice. It may work for you or it may not. Kasi meron tayong mga kanya-kanyang physiologic response. Tip number 6, don't keep on washing your face. So this will cause irritation in your face. Once you wash your face in the middle of the day, you are not just removing the protective coating, yung oil, na nandun sa pores mo, but you allow your pores to open and invite more bacteria in the air to settle in your pores. So what you need to do is just only wash your face in the morning, especially taking a bath in the morning and evening before going to bed. That's it. Tip number 7, hydrate yourself by drinking water. So water helps to moisturize your face. So by simply hydrating yourself with water, hindi ka magda-dry because dryness is isa sa mga factor for irritations and infections dun sa skin. So unconsciously, by drinking 2 to 3 liters of water per day or 12 glasses of water in between your meals, you allow yourself to detoxify through your sweating and urination. Number 8 guys, sleep early. Sleeping hours between 9 p.m. to 5 p.m. So this is the best time of your body to repair, especially kung ikaw ay merong infection. So by sleeping on time, you are helping your body to maximize its ability to fight against infections, formulate a brand new cells, and repair and rejuvenate. So meaning, kung natulog ka na late, there is a little chance for your body to recover. And it makes your situation worse. Kaya ikaw nagtataka, na-apply mo na lahat ng mga dapat i-apply na cream, at nagawa mo na lahat ng mga advice na ginawa ko, pero hindi ka pa rin natulog na maayos, wala pa rin nangyayari. So remember that our body or your body has the ability to repair itself, provided that you give the perfect environment or chance for your body to heal. And sleeping on time is still the best way. Number 9, watch your sugar. Di said na dahil daw sa fat, dahil daw sa mani, or whatever belief na meron sila, pero hindi yun doon. The real talk is that, so what makes it trigger are your consumption of the simple sugar. Example nun, your soft drinks, your milk tea, your cakes, your chocolates na sobrang taas ng sugar level. And other sweetened beverages, including your milk tea. What sugar do in your immune system? It weakens your immunity to fight against infection. And remember guys, the red, painful inflammations ay isa sa mga sign for infection. Number 10 guys, the last number, have your zinc on. So, ang ginagawa ng zinc, it helps to fight against infections at nilo-lower down niya yung mga inflammations na nandun sa inyong mukha. Since this is an essential nutrient in the body, it helps to protect and strengthen your immunity to fight against infections. Zinc is widely used as one of the treatment agent against pimples and acne problem. By the way guys, good news, zinc can also be found in your foods. So kung wala kang pambili ng zinc supplement, pwede kang kumain ng mga food sources na mayaman sa zinc. Ito ang inyong mga nuts, beans, soy, tofu, your oatmeal, and your mushroom, at marami pang iba. And also don't forget when you go to the supermarket to buy also or to consume the product that fortified with zinc. And if all these advices doesn't work for you, then you better consult your dermatologist. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and share this video. Subscribe ka na rin at i-hit mo yung notification bell para pag mayroon akong mga bagong health tips na i-upload is palagi kitang ma-update. So let me know your experience in the comment section below and I will try to read them one by one. So salamat guys, God bless, bye bye.